The 2025 Porsche Taycan Turbo S-Cross Turismo is the ultimate dual-purpose machine in today's performance car landscape. Compromise is often the cost of specialization. You can have something fast, or you can have something practical, but rarely. Both. Porsche, however, has broken that long-standing trade-off with the 2025 Taycan Turbo S-Cross Turismo. It is the rarest kind of machine, one that offers track-ready power with road-trip-ready space, cutting-edge electric technology with a classically luxurious feel, and blistering speed without losing everyday comfort. This isn't just the fastest Taycan, it's Porsche's fastest production car ever. But it's also a capable family hauler, a long-range EV, a refined cruiser, a road trip companion, a gear carrier, a weekend toy. It's a paradox in motion, and one that makes perfect sense when you experience it. With significant updates to power delivery, battery capacity, charging speed, and handling systems, not to mention subtle design enhancements and smarter in-car tech, the 2025 Taycan Turbo S-Cross Turismo isn't just a refresh. It's a revolution disguised as a luxury wagon. Supercar speed in wagon skin. Let's get the headline figure out of the way. 0 to 60 miles per hour into point for seconds. That's hypercar territory achieved not in a low-slung coupe, but in a station wagon that seats 5 and has room for luggage. The Taycan Turbo S-Cross Turismo achieves this through 938 horsepower, unleashed via launch control thanks to Porsche's new high-capacity pulse inverter system. Dual motors, one at each axle, give the Taycan full-time all-wheel drive, delivering immediate traction and astonishing takeoff power. Whether on dry pavement or rain-slicked roads, the car simply goes, and it does so repeatedly. Porsche's enhanced thermal management ensures that you can launch the Taycan hard over and over again without the usual EV performance fade. There's also a push-to-pass function activated with a paddle on the steering wheel. It briefly adds 93 more horsepower for moments when quick acceleration is needed, whether on a racetrack or a freeway on-ramp. It's pure adrenaline on demand. The battery behind the brilliant separating that kind of performance is a battery system that's not only more powerful, it's more intelligent. The 2025 Taycan Turbo S-Cross Turismo features a 105 kWh performance battery plus a significant upgrade over the previous generation's 93 kWh unit. More importantly, it's paired with next-generation charging capability. Thanks to 800-volt architecture, the Taycan can take advantage of 320 kilowatts DC fast charging, filling from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. That's fast enough to make long-distance EV travel feel seamless rather than stressful, even when using older 400-volt stations. The Taycan's onboard 150 kilowatts DC converter ensures you still get efficient charging, something that rivals often fail to manage gracefully. Porsche has also improved the thermal stability of the battery, keeping temperatures ideal for maximum charging speed in a broader range of conditions, including colder climates. Whether you live in California or Canada, the Taycan is ready. Handling with precision. Riding with aggressive Taycan Turbo S-Cross Turismo proves that EVs can be more than just point-and-shoot rockets. It brings true driving engagement, delivering road feedback and composure more akin to a 911 than any station wagon should have the right to claim. Its adaptive air suspension allows the car to balance softness and firmness dynamically, adjusting to road conditions in real time. But the real star is the optional Porsche Active Ride System, a hydraulic suspension that virtually eliminates body roll, pitch, and dive. Take a sharp corner and the car stays flat. Hit a bump and the wheels absorb it while the cabin remains calm. Step hard on the brakes and the nose doesn't dive, just a gentle, controlled weight transfer. Add rear axle steering, torque vectoring, and the inherently low center of gravity of the battery pack, and you've got a vehicle that defies its size. Practicality wrapped in performance. What truly separates the Cross Turismo variant from its sedan sibling is its long roof wagon body style. Porsche has made this one not only more functional, but also more visually refined. Exterior updates include redesigned LED headlights, a cleaner front bumper, and a striking illuminated Porsche rear badge embedded in a glass strip. The Turbonite, dark trim, exclusive to Turbo and Turbo S models, adds subtle aggression without overstating the car's already muscular lines. More importantly, the wagon shape adds more rear headroom, a larger cargo area, and improved rear visibility. Whether you're heading to the airport or packing for a weekend at the mountains, the Taycan Cross Turismo gives you the space you need without dulling its dynamic edge. A digital cabin for the modern arraign side, the 2025 Taycan Turbo S Cross Turismo offers a blend of minimalist Porsche design and high-tech luxury. The driver faces a curved digital display that can be customized to prioritize navigation, performance, or essential readouts. The central touchscreen controls everything from climate to drive modes, while a third screen can be optioned for the front passenger. Apple CarPlay is now more deeply integrated, taking over some of the car's native functions when connected. New for 2025 is in-car video streaming, available when parked, perfect for passing time while charging. Additional updates include revised multi-function stocks, a heated GT steering wheel, ambient lighting, and wireless device charging. Buyers can choose between traditional leather or Racetex microfiber, Porsche's sustainable performance material that offers a suede-like feel. Every texture, stitch, and surface reflects the kind of build quality expected in a vehicle at this level. The Eve that refuses to compromise. The Taycan Turbo S Cross Turismo is a rare breed, a car that checks nearly every box on the enthusiast's wishlist and satisfies the demands of everyday life. It's a powerhouse with poise, a tech showcase with soul, a wagon that can outrun almost any sports car on the planet. Where other EVs may offer speed but feel sterile or promise utility but lack emotion, the Taycan delivers something altogether different. It's an emotional electric car machine that doesn't just get you where you need to go, but makes you feel alive while getting there. Final word: if there was ever a vehicle that proved the electric future doesn't have to be bland or compromised, it's the 2025 Porsche Taycan Turbo S Cross Turismo. It's not just a standout in the EV world, it's one of the best vehicles Porsche has ever made. In this car, you can have it all: a rocket ship that seats 5, a tech-filled luxury lounge, a long-distance cruiser, and a track day thrill machine. Whether you're after performance, elegance, or versatility, the Taycan delivers it with uncompromising precision and unmistakable Porsche character. This is not the future of performance wagons. It's the present, and it's already miles ahead.